Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Koffee taps into raw emotions on Rapture. While speaking at her listening session for her upcoming EP Rapture, the Columbia Records UK artist outlined that she had to tap into some raw emotions on this EP.
But I definitely say, feeling like, I don't know what is the emotion for a breakthrough. It's like, I feel like I bust out of everything negative and I feel like I'm on top of the world and nothing can stop me, not even the devil and him dirty works. Basically just, it's a breakthrough, like breakthrough emotions.
The 19-year-old Toast singer is passionate about the creative process involved in songwriting.
My writing process varies depending on if I have a rhythm, I listen to the rhythm and follow my flow, what me feel inside and complete the melodies and stuff. And if I don't have a rhythm, sometimes it's just like a word with a trigger, like a rhyme scheme. I want to rhyme with a particular word until I can't rhyme no more. And lines come from it and I make sentences or make sense, put together, make lines and lyrics, and then the song come together after a while.
Meanwhile, Koffee is enjoying mainstream success with her breakout hit single Toast. Released in November last year, the visuals for the bubbling track has already picked up 15 million views on YouTube and millions of streams across major streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. Her latest single, Throne, is also gaining traction with over 1 million views since being released back in January. Koffee's highly anticipated 5-track compilation also features 2 bonus tracks and includes previously released songs Ragamuffin and Toast and is scheduled for release on March 14. Now to news overseas, where Kylie Jenner becomes the youngest self-made billionaire. Yes, you heard right. Kylie Jenner, the youngest member of the Kardashian-Jenner American reality TV family, has become the world's youngest billionaire at the age of just 21. The entrepreneur, who was recruited to the 90 Fortune Club by Forbes, became a billionaire 2 years younger than Facebook co-founder Mark Zuckerberg, who took the title at the age of 23 back in 2008. Jenner's fortune comes from Kylie Cosmetics, the makeup company she runs with the help of her mother, Kris Jenner. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.